Bolovinak, and a good afternoon to you all. I'm glad to be here in Nausori today. I join you after spending the week touring the Northern Division, where we opened a series of new facilities throughout Honolulu. The many government projects that were unveiled over the course of the last few days are wide-reaching and varied, from a new rice mill to legal aid office, to Fiji's largest fire station, and a brand new Damodar city in Lambasa, and more. While these facilities may be different in their place and purpose, they all serve a common goal: to better the lives of ordinary Fijians, and to bring new opportunities that allow those Fijians to tap into their full potential. I have made this mission at the core of my government's agenda, and it is the same mission that has brought us here to Nausori this afternoon. Today, I have the pleasure of commissioning a new classroom block for the students and teachers of Nausori Primary School. And school openings like this one always hold a particularly special place in my heart, when I'm surrounded by our school children, and as we mark another fiscal sign of the progress that Fiji is making to build a knowledge-based society. I quite literally am able to see the future of our country, and as we see here this afternoon, that future is bright. Between this attractive new classroom block and the furniture and supplies that fill it, government committed over $843,000 to this project. This was made possible by government's small grant scheme, which is an initiative that runs directly through my office. And because of this, I take all our small grants very personally, and I work to ensure that each one that we award is a sound investment in the Fijian economy, and that each will have a maximum impact on improving our society. When I say that improving lives and creating opportunities are what fuels my passion for serving the Fijian people, there is no better example of how my government is achieving this goal than through ongoing education revolution in Fiji. Over the past decade, my government's consistent and targeted investment in the education of Fijian students, like those of you here today, has led to the historic achievement of universal primary education. And we have a record number of Fijian children access to secondary and tertiary education, opening new doors and allowing them to create a better future, not only for themselves, but all for their families, their communities, and all of Fiji in the process. All across Fiji today, we have more students in Fijian classrooms than ever before. This is an unquestionable accomplishment for our nation, and as the speed of our progress has been truly remarkable to witness. And this growth has been particularly evident here at Nausori Primary School, where the number of children enrolled has increased by nearly 6 times over, from 119 students in 2011 to 682 students today. It's just not Nausori that is benefiting from the development of Fiji's education sector. Far and wide, classrooms like this are popping up all over Fiji. And with these words, I now this afternoon declare Nausori Primary School open. Now,